Deleting your Behance account is a straightforward process, but it's important to note that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Here's how to do it. Log into Behance. Start by visiting the Behance website and signing in with your credentials. Access account settings. Click on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Navigate to Account Deletion. In the Settings menu, look for the Account tab. Scroll down to find the option for account deletion. It may be labeled as Delete Account or Close Account. Follow the prompts. Click on the deletion option. Behance will typically ask you to confirm your decision by providing a reason for leaving. Follow the on-screen instructions. Confirm deletion. After confirming your reason, you may need to enter your password to finalize the deletion process. Once you complete these steps, your account will be permanently deleted along with all your projects and data. Check your email. You may receive a confirmation email indicating that your account has been deleted.